Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. As you can see here, today we're going to be unboxing a Michael's grab bag box. And these are those popular $5 seasonal boxes. And I was super lucky to get my hands on this one, and I'll tell you why. I was there last Wednesday, and when I came in, there are only two of these big giant boxes. But I'll put an insert of a picture here, and they were filled with these big Easter plastic eggs. That's all they had in those boxes, so I did not want those. So I left, came back Friday and saw this guy calling for me. It was right on the floor, close to where the checkout line was. I was so surprised that nobody had even snagged it yet. So I grabbed it. I didn't even try to look inside the box to see what it had. So I'm super excited to see what we got. Let's see if we got lucky. So let me unbox this and take off the tape. Alright guys, let's start this unboxing. I am grabbing item number one, and it looks like we have a floral clip here. How pretty is that? These retail for $2.99. Happy with that. Let's see what else is in here. The next item, look at this guys. These are Halloween felt cute little jack-o'-lanterns. There is no price tag, but this will be fun to use for Halloween this year. Okay, we have a red cardinal, and this is a Christmas. I'm surprised to see these little holiday ornaments here, but happy to add that to the Christmas tree this year. Retails for $9.99. Might have came with something else, but I think it's just the bird. But that's really cool. Let's see what else we have. Oh wow, what is this? Oh cool. So this is a glitter tray and drying rack by Martha Stewart. How awesome is that? And for a crafter, this is super cool. I really like that. And this is the back side. So there's your rack and a little brush. So guys, we've already made our $5 with just a few of these items. So far, I'm really happy with this box. Super cool. We have another one, and oh my god, I'm definitely gonna share this with my crafty friends. I don't need two, so we have other drying tool in. Oh cool, I love this. Look, it's a craft little notebook, and I love DIY projects, and these are perfect for that. You know, you can do decoupaging on this, make a mini album. What a great deal. There is some damage there, but nothing that little crafting can fix, and it's a chipboard album. Really cool, love it. We have our Easter grass. So I saw, who was it that I saw? The Cheap Chick was unboxing. She got a bunch of this, and I saw a few other crafty friends unbox some Michael grab bags as well. So this retails for 99 cents. Definitely can use it for gift wrapping and packaging. Let's see. We have an Easter gel cling, so I can use this next year. How cute is this? Really cute. And my daughter Emmy loves putting this stuff in our sliding door, so that will be fun to use. Let's see what we have here. Now here's one. It's all opened up, and it says, it looks like more like a teacher. Hero Arts Crafts. It says, please correct, great work. Name, fantastic, terrific. Please sign and return, and good job. I might share this with my daughter's teachers. That'll be fun to put in the goodie bags for Teachers Appreciation Week, which happens to be this week, so that will be cool. What else do we have here? Oh my gosh, we have a stamp set by Recollections, and this has a Halloween theme. I actually do not own any dies for Halloween. I have a bunch of stickers, and I have probably 2 sets of stamps. But that's it. This is cool to add, and I'm excited to use that for this Halloween. Ooh, we have another one. These retail for $9.99, and we have definitely made our, I mean, it's already, all of these items are paid and more for our box. So this is already a super deal. And we have so far how many items here? 10 items. How cool is that stamp set? These are easy patterns, and I like it. It's super cool. Heat transfer vinyl. How awesome! I can definitely probably cut some of the images here through my scan and cut and see if that works. I'll just have to read up on this and see how to use it. But how cool is that color? Awesome. I'm trying to look for the price to see how much that retails, but it doesn't say. We have another one. This one has girl theme, girl power theme. Super cool. Definitely going to yeah, do some of these projects. That's really fun. Nice. Awesome. I don't like I mentioned this before in a previous haul that I have a lot of scrapbooking paper and other paper, but I don't have tissue paper for gift wrapping. And look at this, $2.49. Love the pastel colors on this one. Has an Easter feel to it. That's so cool. Oh, this one's a larger piece. How cool is this? I love it. I cannot wait. I have some clothespin little embellishments where I can put some pictures on this. How cute. And this retails for $24.99. What a cool wall decor. Once this is all decorated with some pictures and maybe some flowers, I think it'll look great. So I'll put that guy right over there. My battery is dying, but let's keep going here. Now this one, I think I saw Rebecca Creates also get this in her grab bag, and my kids' friends will love this. Like Emmy has a friend that has a younger sister, and she usually hangs out with them when they're together, so I think they'll have fun crafting with this one. $9.99, and it already has the crafts and all the other items that they can use. What a super deal. What else do we have here? Look at this. It is a cute penguin mold. Penguin maker, $2.99. This should be fun to make. I'm just gonna have to try it out with Emmy and see what we can make with this cute guy. What else do we have here? This is really cool too. It says paint me, so this is a fun crafty project. I love that. And it's a truck. Price is $9.99. How cool. And we got Easter eggs. I love these colors. I love it. It's like a little decorative eggs, and it looks like it has strings. That's super cute. So definitely using that for Easter next year. We have a little tulle basket skirt. I do journal making. I might use it for my journals actually. This is really pretty. I love that sparkle. Really cute. Might even go well with this wire heart. We'll see. We have some stickers. It says Kiss the Cook. How cute is that? That'll be great to use for scrapbooking. Definitely going to add that. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. That is a giant ball of yarn. I was just telling my friend Joanne that I've been watching some unboxings, And a lot of them have been showing some yarn in their Michael grab bags, but this is the biggest one I've seen so far. There is no price, but that's a lot of yarn that will be put to use. Definitely gonna use that. And we have 2 more items here. We have another ball of yarn here, and this is really pretty. I love that. I'm gonna use that for my punch needling. And our last item is this pink and white ball of yarn. How pretty is that? So there you have it, guys. This is an overview of what we got in that Michael's grab bag. This one was totally worth it. There's a lot of paper crafting items that I can use and a lot of fun items that I can share with the girls and they can use as well. Some also to share with my crafty friends. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.